Hi, hello. I'm Julie Holmes, the creator of Hey Mike and co-founder of Just Innovate. I'm very excited to give you this quick tutorial about how to use your awesome Hey Mike with a Windows PC. So as you can see, I am currently sharing my Windows PC screen, but now what I really want to do is to get better audio and to be able to get a little farther away from my laptop. So I'm going to break out my handy dandy Hey Mike. Now, the Hey Mic right now is currently turned off, so the very first thing we want to do to use it with our Windows PC is we want to turn it on. Just like you probably already know, to turn on a Hey Mic, we're going to press the control button that's located right in the middle of the Hey Mic, that big button right there. We're going to press and hold that for about 3 seconds until we start to see a light flash, and then we're going to release the button. And as you can see, what's happening is I'm getting a quick flashing red button, a quick flashing red light on my Hey Mic. That tells me that it's ready to be paired. Now, to pair it with my PC, I need to go into the Bluetooth settings of my PC. So I'm going to pop over to my start and my settings. So I'm going to go into settings, and once I'm in settings, I can go into my devices for Bluetooth and go into my Bluetooth settings specifically, or I can do a search. It just depends on which version of Windows you're running. And so I've got my Bluetooth and other devices right here. I'm going to add a Bluetooth device. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And we're going to add a Bluetooth device. So we're going to click on the item right there. And it's going to come back and it says it's discoverable. So it's looking for all the possible devices. And when it's looking for these possible devices, I want to make sure again that my Hey Mic is flashing and that it's code. So it's thinking, and there is Hey Mic. Remember, the first time you pair Hey Mic, it always takes a little bit longer. And then once it's paired the first time, it'll pair much quicker the second. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Hey Mic, and that's going to connect it. Now, I'm going to notice that as soon as it is connected, what's going to happen is my Hey Mic is going to go from flashing red. Remember, it's going to go from flashing red to now you can probably see that it is flashing blue, very slowly and very softly flashing blue. I think I might have a little bit of dust there. Let me clear that off. There we go. Hold that a little closer for you so you can see that very faint blue flashing light. It also tells me that it's connected right here on my screen. So for me to now use that, I can go and use it with any application on my computer. It's just like any microphone that you might manually connect. So let's use Zoom as an example, because I happen to be recording this video in Zoom. So now I'm going to go up to my Zoom settings. And in my Zoom settings, I'm going to go to my microphone. And on my microphone, I can now go and pick that Bluetooth microphone as my microphone. So I can set that to be my system microphone. And there you go. That's all you have to do to use your Hey Mic as a Bluetooth microphone. Clip it on, and now you are all set to start recording. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. Remember, most applications, when you've connected up your Hey Mic, most applications will just gladly accept and recognize that Hey Mic. Some applications require you to choose the microphone, and so you want to be super careful that you're aware of which is which. Also, please keep in mind that for many applications, it tries to assume that your microphone is also your headphones. So if you're not hearing sound, it's probably because it's trying to play the sound back to your Hey Mic. If that's the case, just turn off your Hey Mic or plug in a pair of headphones. You'll notice that there's actually a headphone jack right at the end of your Hey Mic. So if you just plug in a pair of headphones, you'll be all sorted. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at support@loveheymic.com, or you can leave a message for us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/loveheymic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have happy Hey Miking days ahead of you.